Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your daily rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's October 27, 2025. President Trump celebrated Diwali at the White House, highlighting the strength of US-India ties and the importance of cultural harmony in global diplomacy. A US court has granted pre-trial release to Ashley Tellis, with his defense calling the charges an overreach in a case that has drawn wide attention. At EPPICON 2025, life science leaders discussed innovation and collaboration amid mounting global challenges in healthcare and biotechnology. Santa Clara police released footage of an officer-involved shooting tied to a stabbing suspect, reigniting discussions around use of force protocols. AAPI President Dr. Amit Chakrabarty called for unity and stronger advocacy among Indian American physicians to address challenges in healthcare policy. Trump's new sanctions on Russian oil firms could force India to sharply reduce its crude imports from Moscow, adding strain to energy markets. OpenAI made waves by launching Atlas, an AI-first web browser poised to redefine how people search and interact online. Google Cloud strengthened its AI leadership, appointing Karthik Narayan as its global head to steer next-generation innovations. Paul Kapoor has assumed a top role at the US State Department, overseeing South and Central Asia affairs amid rising geopolitical shifts. In a groundbreaking move, the Seattle Storm hired Sonia Raman as head coach, the first Indian American to lead a WNBA team. Dr. Nirav Shah, a respected Indian American health expert, announced his bid for Governor of Maine, pledging a data-driven public health vision. Author and bureaucrat Anil Swarup reflected on resilience and humility in his latest column titled, "On Occasions You Fail as Well." AAPI is set to host its first ever Ayurveda and Wellness retreat in the US, promoting holistic healing and traditional wisdom. Ambassador John Bolton emphasized India's pivotal role in ensuring global stability, especially amid shifting power dynamics. Former Vice President Kamala Harris declared, "I am not done," hinting at another US presidential bid in the near future. The film world mourns the loss of veteran actor Satish Shah and advertising icon Piyush Pandey, both remembered for shaping India's creative landscape. Major League Cricket (MLC) and Caribbean Premier League (CPL) chiefs announced a joint initiative to expand cricket's footprint across the Americas. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.